I have an APC Pro 1300. It's a discontinued model. I'll link a very similar model to what I have to Amazon for your reference. The batteries have aged enough that they have now faulted out and no longer work for me. I have done some research into replacing the batteries and have found that currently it has dual 12 volt 9 amp hour, making a 24 volt battery. In doing so, you can get them for $45 on Amazon, link in description. And I'm going to go ahead and test the new ones by voltage and replace the batteries. So, in replacing this battery, I'm going to remove the plastic stickers, replace one cell at a time, and replace the stickers. They don't stick very well, but I just went and did it for a thorough sake. Also, they have pull tabs for easy removal. Upon installing the battery into the APC unit, it is not accepting it unless you do a power down and reboot. It will not accept a battery live, unfortunately. Upon plugging the unit in, running it, and just testing it without a load, and just some LED lights in the area for the servers, the unit did continue to work as expected and shows a very generous runtime. Hooked up the server, got it running, tested it again, and it continued to run the server as expected. Replacement complete batteries. I have found that a similar model is this APC RBC124. It is a 24 volt 9 amp hour pack. The cheapest I can find on Amazon, $56. Actually, a lot cheaper than I honestly expected. So in all, I saved roughly $11, but for doing it itself, extremely quick, very easy. Went ahead and did it. No big deal.